Don't punish the people who show up in your lives to hear you. If you're on a live, it doesn't matter if there's one person, 10 people, or 15. Don't punish the people that are there to hear you. A lot of people are waiting for you in your life. A lot of people are on their knees praying for you right now. God, please give me someone that can help me. Help me find someone that can help me find the way. And I hope you really take that to heart. And if you do, it changes the way you move. It changes the way you make decisions. Okay? And the conversations I've had with my higher power is if I take care of people, if I add value, if I bring people together, if I make these big jumps in business, invest, okay, am I going to get taken care of? And the answer I always get back and what I've seen over and over is yes.